Now with the development, the high quality development approach of China, the green development, the opportunities for us are even bigger than even before. So that's why it's very important for us to see what's happening and where to focus on, and where we can contribute, and of course also grow together here in China.
Well, I think it's very important that we continue to work across the world together on key issues. Of course, trade, economic development, but also the green transformation that will be required of all countries around the world. And clearly China and Asia play a very important role in this development.
Some of the equipment that you've just mentioned, green trucks, battery trucks and hydrogen fuel cell trucks, the green ammonia powered ship, we call that the Green Pioneer, the locomotives that we're turning green as well. There is such a huge opportunity for us to work together with China, and actually today we announced the launch of a manufacturing centre here in Hefei, where we are going to partner with Chinese companies to make the products that we need, and we're more than confident that those products are going to be sold throughout the world as others decarbonise their operations.